I asked to come up and speak for the F-35 guys. It's the jailbird. This amazing group of people that have been battling this basing for the last, 6 years, has inspired me. I mean, that's why I was out there trying to demonstrate that the noise that the F-35 makes should be illegal, and sure enough, they agreed. I'm a pretty face. I'm the ice cream guy. But the people that have fought this battle, that have been the backbone of the campaign for so long, have been Eileen and Roseanne and Jimmy, and I'm sure I'm leaving out, there's Ray over here, my fellow jailbird. Just an amazing stalwart group of people who hung in there and kept on fighting and didn't give up. And even if we lost tonight, they were not planning on giving up. And the thing to remember is that we won by more than the mayor. It's just so great to be here with the progressives, the people who I really believe in and I feel part of. And it's just wonderful to be working together, and I'm looking forward to going onward, bigger and better stuff. Venceremos!